$25 money. Real number one. Now she check what we spending, girl. I'll be one house, I'll be good friends, girl. Now waste the time. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. You can't tell me. Alright? Chop that. You can't tell me what you do. All the dress. We are the stars. We are the fun. You do what you wanna follow you. You not eat your pan and a man all night. Back position, son of boy. Running from day one. Real bad girls on a party. We don't need donation. All secrets. Alright. Let me tell you a little story. We have a man where a woman over. All the good girl, let go. You know what she and money. The money made me happy. You want me to own it. You know it wrong, but he never planned. Now money made a wife in the whole side. She's position. No, this is not my style and I'm something. We up in our pins. We are next man. Just fuck up the show. Cheers. Thanks to all the shenanigans that came up, but now my voice is shit.
Yeah, people, so that was Shenseea last night in Miami, right? She shell the place, shell, you see what I say. But today our dancer Happy Feet are celebrate her birthday, so happy birthday, shout out to Happy Feet. You see me, and Shenseea big her up on Instagram as well. So again, happy birthday to Happy Feet. Now, people, we have some other stories for getting to, right? Because I know to see what I'm going on in Makademoya, I see it all over, so I know you might see it by now. But just in case you never see it, I have peace side for sure now. I'm going to tell you now what go on. But before that, people, I have one song where I see I go viral. I don't know if you see it yet. If you don't see it, like seriously. You see what I say? So that song your name, Like Seriously, by MG. The song out 1 week now and it just a take TikTok by Storm. You see what I say? Everybody a put it on the meme and never. You see what I say? But anyway, I'm going to play a piece of headphone now. I couldn't hear what go on. Check this out.
Them say TJ do search if you lose weight now. Like seriously. Police stop fight crime dep on TikTok now. Like seriously. Them say pretty and jewel they know. Like seriously.
Like seriously, I who said that? But people, me not lie, the song make me laugh every time I listen to it.
Seriously. Like seriously. Like seriously. He look like Makademoya and she run when oh.
Like seriously.
Like seriously. Them say Shenseea sell her soul now.
Like seriously, but people, hear what me I say. When I forgot check out the song on him YouTube, I go put the link down in the first comment so you can click and go over the cause I can't play all of it. You see what I say. But seriously now, people, seriously speaking, we are gonna talk about Makademoya. So yesterday Makademoya go up on live and she says she have a story for share. You see what I say. She post before so she go live and tell her story. And she go up on the live and she da cry. You see me I say, people. She say that one artist beat her with a board. You see me I say back in idea way back one artist lick her with a board. So me have part of the live where she a talk about them actually PR for no talk, but she say she can't hold it no longer. You see what me I say. So me I go play that piece then me couldn't hear what go on. So take a listen. Here goes.
When the manager called me couldn't press the charge because that the manager there's somebody where help me out a lot. Any problem I have them time and make me escape a lot of other stuff, you know. So me accept the money. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me accept the money, and I remember me said to myself, say, them time I have one something and whatnot, and me tell myself, say, me go buy one big whatnot with the money. Cause I told the money enough. Me go buy one big double side whatnot and put it in my house and put it in front of me and said, this is going to remind me every day. And me the kind of sorry me to do that because every time I look on it, I cry because I say, man can't wicked so. Oh, you feel take board and beat me so in front of everybody at studio. Me run through the gate, me run, me no know how me not dead. I know me no know how me still alive. God no. You understand? So me just saying, a whole heap of things we go through as woman at the business, and me not really come up to stay long because me know them are going to drag me and people are going to drag me, but me just try to say, when me hear about whatever people are going through, me I try to make people know say, me my thing them not normal. What day I'm saying I go do one documentary because the things that when me go through, I want different type of something. Me not say people not try to say right sex or whatever, but me as me tell you now, me come in, me go into the business with a shield. Like me go in there with that intention say nobody now go force me for have no sex, you know? And then I travel par with people where, you know, good to me and, you know, and treat me with respect. You know, so me start to par with a lot of different people where show me a lot of respect. And what me I try to tell them is that this was one of the journey them boy throw shoes in my chest. Me go to studio, them I tell me say people run me out of them studio. You know, whole heap of things. Whole heap of things. It's been, and right now, I just feel like, sometimes I just feel like the artist will just address it to me and say, boy, you know, say, me the kind of be a big man about that and say, no, say, me feel fuck up because I shouldn't really take no board and beat you up like that because, you know, I don't know if I not feel like I eat that right now because the 20 man them with the turn up, they're like, I want to do that, I want to make that happen like when me do. More than me just go look dub plate and me go get the dub plate and come back happy. And you now give me no dub plate and me get beaten for that.
Yeah, people, so when I hear what go on, I just sympathize with Makaka. I know the stories, them. I hear a lot of stories, so me and say, about female artists and what them have to go through, especially Makademoya come from way down. So you see me? She says she has speak out because Tanya Stevens just speak out, so she a make for her story be heard as well. But people, when they tell me what you think down in the comment section overall about the whole video, the song, the everything, you see me, Shenseea performance. You know, big up on yourself, stay safe out there. Thank you for watching, and if it's your first time on this video and you like it, please go ahead and subscribe.
We got that one in my EP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.